This is Druid4574 and welcome back to Mechwarrior 2. This is Temper Edge, mission for Wolf Clan. And we have to defend and escort a special type of mech that you can't drive in the game, but looks pretty cool, so we'll get to do that. But before I do that, I have to build a mech for that. And I think I don't need such a heavy mech. Well, don't worry, we'll be using heavier chassis after the first couple of trials, which are coming up. Now, should I use a fast and light like the Jenner here? Or should I use a Nova? I haven't made significant use of the Nova yet. It does have its limitations, as always, but why don't I use a Nova? Why don't I do that? So weapons, we need to delete a whole bunch of weapons here. And I'm going to... I think I'll leave these on here for now and see what weapons I can put on this thing. I do want to demonstrate the Gauss rifle, but it is very heavy and would basically be the only weapon I could carry, which would be a bad thing. Okay, so what should I put on this mech? I haven't made use of heavy LRMs, but that doesn't really make sense on the Nova. I want to try to design a mech that makes at least a little bit of sense. Nova tends to be energy weapon based. So maybe we can do some pulse lasers, some large ones. I'll put a couple of those on. And how about a couple of pulse mediums? That doesn't fit. Well, I think I can delete one jump jet and make it work. Okay, so this is going to be a completely energy weapon based Nova here. It'll make sense. And it'll be quite dangerous to the enemies. And let's see. Oops. No, I can't remove the engine. What am I doing? Okay, so I'm going to want one of the pulse lasers, the large ones, in each of these arms. And the torso, I will put the medium lasers in. And let's see. Heat sinks here and here and there. And then I'm going to fill out the torso with all that stuff. Okay, so there you have it, a pulse laser based Nova. This one should be quick and fast and have a lot of firepower to deal with the enemies. So let's see, I want to call this mech the I make sense. Okay. So we'll save. Accept that mech. And thank you for watching. I hope you'll join me for the field phase of this mission.